gonna go to the canyons today. I'm gonna be driving up there. I freaking love it up there. The last time I went, which was like literally the last video I posted, there was a bunch of rocks because it just had rained. So hopefully this time there's not as much rocks because it hasn't rained in 2 days. So hopefully there's no rocks on the floor. Everything's good and we have a good time. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I haven't ate. I'm gonna get some chicken tenders and fries because I'm starving. So let's go get a meal, guys. Let's go. What do you guys like one? This nice crunchy one. Hey guys, so I'm pretty excited to go up to the canyons. The last time that I came, there was a car accident and it happened to be a Z, so that was pretty scary. But that is the reason why I didn't go up, because there was a car accident. So I'm hoping that this time everything goes good. There's no rocks on the floor. There's no car accidents, you know. And we just have a good time, you know. We just have a good day, have a little canyon cruise, and you know, just have fun, enjoy the view. It's just beautiful out here. Hopefully everything goes good, that there's no cops that try to stop me or anything like that for no dumb reason, you know. I'm gonna close my windows just so you guys can hear me better. But what I was saying, if you didn't hear me, is that I hope that there's no cops up here. Sometimes they'll try to like pull you over for no reason, no apparent reason. So I'm hoping all goes well. I'm pretty excited. I guess I'll be telling you guys my plans for my Z Nelson. What a lot of you guys have been saying and been talking about the interior, because I know I always bring you guys in here and like you guys see it and it's like, what the hell, like this looks horrible. Okay, I know it looks horrible. I haven't got to this part yet. I wanted to do the outside and then I'm gonna do the inside. So right now I've been like planning on what I want inside and you know what kind of look I'm going for, basically, because there's a lot of looks and I don't know. I don't know. I want something that fits me, you know. What I'm thinking about doing is obviously changing the steering wheel. Like, look how dusty and rusty and freaking old the steering wheel looks. To me, I feel like it looks like a damn like the skin of a crocodile. I have been looking at a few steering wheels online. New steering wheel, obviously new shift knob right here. We're gonna get a new shift knob. What if we grab one of these trees and we put it up in my house and then just like have it as a Christmas tree? That'd be freaking cool. I think I just saw someone cross the street over there. Hopefully they're not passing again, because that is very dangerous. So yeah, look, he's right there. That's so dangerous. He's scared. Nah. When you guys come to the canyons, obviously you guys know you gotta be hella careful, because literally anything can freaking happen. And speaking about, oh, you guys see this mountain right here? Okay, so one time, no, I don't think it was this one actually. There was a mountain really similar to that one, right? And let me tell you a story about that one, okay? We came to the canyons, right? And I brought my dog Bubba. And I just wanted to go up the mountain because it looked super cool. So I was just like, oh, we should go up the mountain, you know, just look at the view really quick and then just leave. So, but we had my dog Bubba with me. And so what I decided to do was like, okay, we'll leave Bubba in the car, we'll leave the windows down, you know, so it won't be hot. We just wanted to go up the mountain, see how it looked, and then just come down and, you know, go home. But what ended up happening, guys, we ended up going to the top of the mountain, right? And guess what? When we were on, I mean, it might have been this one. No, I don't know which it is. Never mind. I'm gonna stop pointing out mountains that are not even the mountains that I'm talking about. But it looked like the one that we just passed. So then we're up there, right? And Bubba, he follows me everywhere, right? So what Bubba does is that once we're on top of the mountain, Bubba jumps out the car and he goes in the middle of the street. So like right here, imagine a dog just running up in the middle of the street. And there was, what the fuck? What Bubba did is he freaking jumped at the car and he went to the middle of the street. Like out of all the places, he didn't go follow me. He went to the freaking street and there was a car flying by. Thankfully, the car saw him and stopped was really dangerous because the car had braked really hard, that the person behind them had to brake as well really quickly. So that could have been an accident, you know, a huge car accident, all because of Baba. So literally that is what happened last time. Well, not last time, I don't remember when this was. I have the dates, so I'll tell you guys. But when I check them, you know, on my Snapchat, I'll tell you guys. But yeah, that is what happened. And I think it was just crazy, because that is what I mean by anything can just like happen. Like a freaking dog can be in the middle of the street, and yeah, so literally that's what happened. And then after that, guys, lesson learned, I never brought Bubba to the canyons again after that, because I was like, okay, yeah, it was my fault that I left him in the car, but like still, that you lost your privilege, sir. You are no longer coming with me to the damn canyons because of that. And Bubba is a really he's a trained dog, so if you were to call him, like, he'll come and stuff. But like that day, he was just acting up. I don't know what was wrong with him. I don't think I would come to the canyons when it's raining ever again, because I came that last time, right? The last vlog, the last video that I posted, I came and there was so many rocks on the floor, like huge rocks. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna really mess up my car if I come up here like that, like with those rocks on the floor. I'm glad that they picked them up already though. Look, you guys can see that the floor is so smooth and clean. La 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 la. Guys, I really hope my ears don't pop. I hate when that happens. Should I drift here? Oh, my ears just popped right now. I heard it. I felt it. My ears just popped. Oh, there's a bike lady, and I don't like getting near them because I do not look at. I don't like the bike people. I'm sorry, I don't like them. She was like literally in the half of the road. Like, I am not about to wait for you. Whee! What the heck? Oh, I think someone passed away right there. That's so messed up. Rest in peace to whoever passed away there. This looks beautiful. It reminds me of Teletubbies. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm in love. I am in love. I'm in love with this mountains. Uh-oh. Why is there a car over here? I feel like this road over here is really dead bird. That was a freaking, oh my god, the snow, guys. Oh my god, we're getting closer to the snow. Wow, that's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Amazing. Whoa. Hope you guys enjoyed chit-chatting with me. If you guys want another drive along, then comment down below. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Peace. I'ma demonstrate how not to care. Life's a movie, so just stop